Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been swirling around the personal finance world. Is Mint, the popular budgeting app, on the verge of a breakup with its parent company, Intuit? For years, Mint has been a go-to resource for millions managing their finances. Its clean interface, user-friendly tools, and seamless integration with financial accounts made it a budgeting powerhouse. But recent changes and murmurs online have some users worried. So, is there any truth to the rumors of a Mint-Intuit split? Let's unpack what we know and explore some possibilities. A match made in budgeting heaven, or was it? Mint's story starts back in 2006, a time when personal finance apps were still in their infancy. This innovative platform quickly gained traction, attracting users with its intuitive way to track income, expenses, and budgets. Then, in 2009, Intuit, the financial software giant behind TurboTax and QuickBooks, swooped in and acquired Mint for a cool $170 million. On the surface, the acquisition seemed like a perfect marriage. Mint brought its user base and innovative approach, while Intuit offered its financial expertise and resources. But cracks started to appear in recent years. Signs of strain, a change in course. Some users have noticed a shift in Mint's focus. Features like bill pay and credit monitoring, which once felt like core functionalities, have been scaled back or even removed entirely. Additionally, there's been a push towards Intuit's other products, like TurboTax, which some perceive as a marketing ploy rather than a natural extension of Mint's core services. The cloud of uncertainty, what does the future hold? Now, here's the thing, there's no official confirmation of a Mint-Intuit split. However, the lack of transparency and changing functionalities fuel speculation. Here are a few potential scenarios. Intuit streamlines Mint. Maybe Intuit decides to focus Mint on its core budgeting strengths, simplifying the app and integrating more seamlessly with their existing financial services. Mint goes solo. Perhaps Mint, with its established user base, feels confident enough to venture out on its own. A new suitor emerges. It's also possible another company sees the value in Mint and swoops in for an acquisition. What does this mean for you, the user? Ultimately, the future of Mint-Intuit is uncertain. But here's what matters most, your financial well-being. Don't let the drama distract you from managing your money effectively. Here are some tips. Explore alternatives. Take this as an opportunity to research other budgeting apps. Look for options that align with your needs and preferences. Stay informed. Keep an eye out for official updates from both Mint and Intuit. This will help you make informed decisions about your financial future. Focus on your goals. Remember, the best budgeting app is the one that helps you achieve your financial goals. Don't get caught up in brand loyalty if another platform offers a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep crushing those financial goals.